Hello, today we're going to be cooking honey roasted chickpeas. If you're new to my channel and want more homemade recipes, then hit the subscribe button. First, you want to wash and rinse the chickpeas, then lay them on a paper towel covered baking sheet to dry. Allow the chickpeas to dry for approximately 2 hours. Once dry, place the chickpeas in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and mix in well. Place the chickpeas on 2 separate baking sheets to allow them to cook more evenly. Then place in your oven at 425 for 30 minutes. In a small heat-safe glass bowl, add 2 tablespoons of honey. And then add a teaspoon of cinnamon, followed by a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and mix well. Place your honey mixture on your warm stove. After 30 minutes, take out both trays and turn the chickpeas. Then place your chickpeas back in the oven for 15 more minutes. After 15 minutes, place the chickpeas in a bowl. Stir in your honey mixture 1 spoonful at a time to ensure the chickpeas are all evenly coated. Place the honey-coated chickpeas on your 2 baking sheets and return to the oven for an additional 10 to 12 minutes. Oven temperatures may vary. After 10 to 12 minutes, combine the chickpeas onto 1 tray and sprinkle some cinnamon sugar over them and allow to cool. If you like this recipe, or if you have a different version that you'd like to share with me, please leave a comment below. To see more of my homemade recipes, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications of our new videos, and thank you for watching.